welcome to Hanoi. Yeah, crazy city, very busy.
Very, very crazy.
Hanoi translates to city inside rivers.
And it's over 1,000 years old.
That's quite old. Sidewalks over here are not meant for people to walk on. It's for street vendors, motorbike parking, anything besides people walking on them. And just walking on this spot, there's a street barber.
How you get it done?
What is the thing that we most do in Vietnam?
Drinking coffee.
Oh yeah, we're going for coffee. Yep, let's go for it. We've been drinking so many coffees in Vietnam. We can't get enough of this. It's really good. Christiana, she's having a milk tea. Did you know that in Hanoi there's roughly 8 million people living over here, and there's roughly 5 million motorbikes in Hanoi? How crazy. We've just stopped by to have lunch at the Little Vietnam restaurant. Me and Morgan, we're having stir-fried beef, Sandra some eggs with vegetables, and Christiana stir-fried chicken. Yup. Good job. And that's the One Pillar Pagoda. Today's very busy. First day of the year for the Chinese calendar. Everybody's paying their respects. Very, very busy. This is Ban Dinh Square, and this is where Ho Chi Minh read the proclamation of the independence of Vietnam in September 1945. And this is the presidential palace. Coffee break?
Yes, please.
Yep, we need another coffee break. We came from Ninh Binh where it was nice and quiet. Now in the big city, the capital, and we're not used to this. We need to take it easy. Too much traffic, too much noise, so much thing going on at the same time. Let's have a break. just came to One Kiem Lake, and what's behind me, that's Turtle Tower, and this during the night comes to life. 3, 2, 1. A bit of exercise is always good. We are sharing a dorm with Sandra and Morgan because the prices of accommodation in Hanoi are a bit higher than other cities in the country. Sharing a dorm, 4 beds, Sandra on her phone, and the toilet. Morgan's washing his teeth.
Yeah.
This we are staying. What's the name of this?
Funky Jungle Hostel, yeah. Funky Jungle Hostel.
Yep. You've got free breakfast and free beer from 7 to 7:30, and then from 9 to 9:30. And me and Morgan, we drunk quite a few beers. Yeah. So we are leaving tomorrow. We've been here for 4 days now. We've rented the apartments, and the next video will be over there. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye. Before going, I would like to say a huge thank you to Josiah's Lops for supporting us on Patreon. They are the first ones to do so. So if anyone out there is interested, please go over there and check us out. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Yeah.